Good morning, friends. So in this video, I'm going to teach you what are the suitable modules for sales related graduates or postgraduates. If you're MBA marketing or any sales related, you studied, okay? So you have done any post-graduation in sales and marketing. So what are the suitable modules? You can select the SAP sales and distribution and also flexible real estate management. And there is a Vistex is not a kind of a SAP module. What I understood from Vistex is it's an embedded solution in SAP. It's a third-party tool, but for some certain kind of sales activities, it is embedded into SAP. So you can Google about what is SAP Vistex. You can get the details. That is also one of the popular modules related to sales. There is one more module called RE sales, real estate sales also there. It's not quite popular now. So that also you can check it, SAP RE sales. These are the sales related modules. If you are working in any sales area related domain, you can select one of these modules to enhance your career as an SAP consultant or as a core. If you're getting any product based company or if you're joining any manufacturing or domain company where you are handling that IT solutions. So in that cases also your SAP knowledge will be helpful. You can check the description for our video on Path to Domain Employees by Ganesh. In that video, I highlighted the areas for any domain employee, what he's going to get with SAP knowledge. I hope that will be helpful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and share with your friends so that it will be helpful to choose suitable SAP module when they want to switch their career or when they want to enhance their career. If you know any other sales related modules, you can put in the comment box so that our viewers will get additional information. Thanks for watching.